fish with ginger and scallions, a delicious and healthy recipe tutorial. Ingredients: 1 whole fish, tilapia or sea bass work well. 3 to 4 slices of ginger. 2 to 3 stalks of scallions, sliced into 2-inch pieces. 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, or dry white wine. 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: clean and scale the fish, and make sure to remove any internal organs. Season the fish with salt and pepper, both inside and outside. Place the ginger slices on top of the fish, and scatter the scallion pieces around the fish. In a small bowl, mix together the light soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, and vegetable oil. Pour the sauce mixture evenly over the fish. Place the fish on a heat-proof dish that will fit inside your steamer basket. If you don't have a steamer basket, you can use a large pot with a lid and a small rack or trivet to elevate the dish. Steam the fish over high heat for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the flesh is opaque and flakes easily with a fork. Carefully remove the dish from the steamer and serve the fish hot with steamed rice and vegetables. Enjoy your delicious and healthy steamed fish with ginger and scallions.